Hi Shubhangi. So let's see your eighth assignment for Still Life in Oil. This is your submission. Let's first talk about the reference. So you have a mug which is blue and the strawberries are really bright red pink color. The background is subtle, foreground and background are the same color and very subtle in nature. So when I see your still life, I feel that the drawing could be a bit more improved. Now when the lower lip is of it, when it bends to this curveness, the bottom would even be a little more bent. This should be in relation, like this lip should be in relation to the curveness here in the bottom, so you need to first fix that. Secondly, I feel that this got a bit wide from here, so you just fix this line. Rest, I think the drawing wise it is fine. Now talking about the values here, how you have put the middle value and blended it into the light, same has to be done here. I can see a very thin line, but line should be slightly blended into the whites or the light color. This is a ceramic object, that means it will have really sharp highlights. So you have done the sharp highlights here on the top, but you need to do here on the lips is small white lines on the handle and so on. And check out the color of the strawberry. So your color got a bit muddy, probably because of the mixture. So what we are looking for is a mixture of Alison crimson and red to get the exact strawberry color. So this needs to be blended, this needs to be fixed. Strong white highlights needed here. This can be pushed even more, become more white and blending over here. Rest the drapery in the back, because you've already applied the oil colors, so take the fan brush and simply blend the values together. So being a drapery, it's a very soft material, so anything which is soft when you touch, like uh, physically when it's very soft, we need to show the same visually. So this entire drapery could be a little more soft. Rest, the leaves are done well. I really like the ellipses apart from drawing, very well done. Overall it's improving and good work.